Negative 3 plus 5. Okay, Noah, can you give it a try, please? Noah, give it a try, please.
Positive 2.
Positive 2, how'd you get that?
I just went up from negative 3 5 times and I got 1.
Yeah, so you can do this and just go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, there's another way to do this. Does anyone do that a different way? Negative 3 plus 5? Yeah, go ahead.
I just went and I subtracted from 5.
Yeah. The other way you remember numbers you can switch, right? So negative 3 plus 5 is the same as 5 minus 3, right? So if you can switch them like that too and just say minus 3 plus 5 is like 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, and that's perfectly good like that. Awesome, good stuff. All right. Abby. Here's your time to shine. Actually, I'll do this one, then Abby will be next, okay? Okay, now this is where life gets difficult for people. Negative, very good, okay? So here's the thing you guys got to remember about this. If you're going negatives, a negative goes this way, but minusing a negative goes the other way. So this is the same as negative 2 plus 3. 2 minus, you get a negative 1. So, Abby, what's negative 2 plus 3?
Positive 1.
Awesome, positive 1, very good. Okay? So, we'll go through lots of these examples today and we'll get on the board in a second. But that's one thing to remember today if you've forgotten about it. If there's a negative and a negative together, it makes a plus. Okay, right? A negative and a negative together makes a plus. Is this too fast, too slow, the right speed? Again, I talk fast, okay? So if you need a break, just raise your hand and tell a joke. Okay, and you'll distract me. Colby's good at that. Okay, distracting me, it's good. Okay, but no, you know what I mean. If it's going too quick and you need a breather, just raise your hand. Okay, you pass the fire man, please. I'm going to let everyone try this, but then Ethan's going to take it over here. Okay, ready? E. Okay, this is a big scary one. Okay, so take a second and try it out. It's right on your paper, Ethan. Try it out. Okay. If you need a giant number line, you can draw a giant number line. There's nothing wrong with that. Okay. Again, there's been students I've seen. I can even draw one on the board for if you need to. Let's do this big guy here. The one I print out for you guys tomorrow, so I forgot to print one out today. I might get done. This is this needs to be grabbed in the number line actually. So there's one from negative 11 to 15 if you need one square written in front of there. Okay. All right. Ethan, what's the first step? What does negative 5 turn into? Not sure? Okay. I want you to think here, keep your mind open here, okay? Because we got to know this here. Somebody help me out here. What's negative 5? Go ahead, Colby.
Negative 3.
Careful. What does minus 5 mean now? It is negative 3, but what's minus mean? Let's start one step. Minus is, yeah, goes the other way. Right on. Okay, so that's like negative 8 plus 5. But it is negative 3 is the answer. Okay, right? But you gotta remember, 2 negatives is the same as a plus. Okay, that's the number one rule we learned today. We're reminding ourselves today if you forgot.
I wrote that down.
All right, Dan, that's good. That's all right. Okay. So negative 8 plus 5, as we said there, is going to be 3. Now again, the reason for that one is, I'll do this one on the board. Okay, remember we said adding is going to the right? Adding is going this way, right? So you're starting at negative 8. Is going on 1. Whoops. Let's read it. Wait, did I say 3? I thought Mr. Sadler made a mistake for the first time in his life. Just kidding. This haircut's a mistake. What should the real answer be? Not 3. Minus 3, thank you. Okay, can I get everyone to close their eyes and put their heads on their desk for a sec? It's a serious thing. I do this all the time. Okay. Who's feeling excellent about the first 5? Close your eyes, please. I don't want you to see other people. Who's feeling excellent about the first 5 examples? Raise your hand. Who's feeling sort of good but could use some more practice? Raise your hand. Who's feeling hideous? Raise your hand. Yeah, that's good. Awesome. Okay, raise your heads, please. Okay, so again, I just do that from time to time. I want you to answer honestly. I'm not going to pick on you and say, oh my goodness, Colby doesn't know anything about integers. Okay, sorry, Colby. You didn't.
Okay, I didn't know what they were. I just didn't know that.
I'm just joking. I'm just joking, but like, I'm not going to pick on you guys and then do that, right? But I just want to see if most of the class has no idea what's going on, just tell me. Like, that's the way to tell me. Okay, make sense? Okay. All right, here we go. Moving on for the more trickier one here. You ready for step 2? Whoops, view full screen. I'll do this one with you, and then you guys try one yourself. Okay, now before you freak out, first of all, don't freak out ever. Okay? A triple math question, the whole thing is you should just do it in 2 steps. Okay? So what I do when I look at this question, even me as a math teacher, I pretend this guy isn't here. You see what I mean? And I just do the first 2. Once you're done the first 2, you just go through with the second one. Okay? So I'm going to start with, sorry, Devin, I forgot your name there. Okay? Devin, let's deal with these negatives first. What is negative forming? Positive. So this is going to change to negative 5 plus 4 minus 3. Now please be brave. Now here's the thing about math. I know I'm going quickly. Don't just talk it down. Please think about it as you're going through to make sure that makes sense, okay? Right? So the 2 negatives, 1 are plus. Minus 5 is just minus 5, and then plus minus 3 is just like subtracting 3. Is that sort of good for most people? Sort of good? Okay, let's do the first step here then. My mind is going blank here. So Bryden, you're up next. We'll pretend this guy's not here, okay? So negative 5 plus 4. How do we do negative 5 plus 4? Do you know what the answers for that? Okay, so I'm going to help you figure out how to do this, because you can't just give up in this class. Okay, so you're going to start at negative 5 here. Adding, you're going which way? This way or this way? Okay, we're going to go this way, right? So this way is adding. So you start at negative 5 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative 1. Okay? Now, I'm just going to, I'm not yelling right at you, I'm doing that the whole class right now. If you're just sitting and watching, it's not going to work in this class. Please try, okay? Because I need your brains to be trying, okay? If you don't understand something, please be brave and ask, okay? Because, just because. I'm a pro at math, you know what I mean? This isn't hard for me. I want you guys to be thinking your way through this, though, okay, right? You know what I mean? Okay, so this is going to be negative 1. So I have negative 1 minus 3. All right, Connor, what's negative 1 minus 3 going to be? Negative 4, very good. Okay, so again, what he did was, back to here, negative 1 is where he started, subtracting small ones left, so 1, 2, 3, negative 4. Okay? And again, there's nothing wrong with using this. Draw this on the top of your page, if you need to, right? There's nothing wrong with that. All right, we're hoping by grade 12 you don't need this anymore, right? But if in grade 9 you need it, no big deal. Okay, questions and fears before I continue? Sort of good. I'm going to hit pause in the video and give you guys one really hard one. Are you ready? Really hard. Here we go. Letter G. Where's my lovely assistant? I think she's coming. All right. Negative 3. Come on, this thing. Okay, that was the hardest one. Okay, I'm going to pause the video. Okay. Again, it looks awful. Do 2 steps at a time. Do 2 numbers at a time, right? And once you've done 2 numbers, Ethan, do you mind passing that to Jonathan, the Spider-Man, please? Just behind you there, the guy in the blue shirt. Thank you. I'm going to pause this video, give it a try. If you think you're stuck, raise your hand. I can